In the previous sections, we've developed a strong foundation in Java programming. We know a lot of the basics: variables, constants, and data types, as well as operators, basic user input and output, and other fundamental topics. In this section, we will be exploring the fundamental concepts and syntax associated with control flow. Control flow refers to the order in which instructions are executed in a program. By combining control statements in different ways, we can create extremely powerful computer programs. We will discuss control statements in general and then talk about the three categories of control statements: sequence or sequential, selection, and repetition in more detail. We also discuss how to manipulate certain control statements using the continue and break statements. Then we'll discuss and work with pseudo-random numbers and the random class, which provides random number generation capabilities for us. This will give us more Java tools to add to our ever-growing toolkit. We will work on some very cool projects at the end of this section, including a Learning Packages of the Month program and a Divisible by 3 program. And those random number generators I was talking about, those will help us specifically with the last project in the section, a Guess the Number program, where the computer decides on a number and the user has to guess it. I'm extremely enthused about all the amazing things we're going to learn in this section. Without further ado, let's get going.